Welcome back to Apple Insider, your trusted channel for everything Apple. Today we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated products Apple has ever released, the Apple Glasses. This is not just another piece of tech, it is a device that aims to redefine how we see, interact, and experience the world. If you have ever dreamed of merging technology seamlessly with your daily life, this is the product that makes it possible. So let's break down everything you need to know about Apple Glasses, step by step, in a keynote-style presentation. Number 1. Design and build quality. Apple has always been known for its obsessive attention to detail, and the Apple Glasses are no exception. At first glance, they look just like a stylish pair of prescription glasses, blending minimalism with elegance. The frames are crafted from lightweight titanium and high-grade acetate, giving them both durability and comfort for all-day use. Apple has ensured that the glasses fit naturally without appearing bulky or futuristic, making them suitable for everyday wear in both professional and casual settings. What makes them truly stand out is the subtle integration of sensors and cameras into the frame, done in such a way that most people wouldn't even notice. The weight distribution is carefully balanced so they do not feel heavy on the nose or ears, even after hours of continuous use. Apple has also introduced modular frame options, giving you the freedom to choose a style that matches your personality, whether it's a more professional look or something trendy. In short, the design delivers the perfect harmony between fashion and function. Number 2. The display. This is where Apple Glasses begin to shine in a way no competitor has managed to achieve yet. Using advanced micro-OLED technology, the lenses project high-resolution visuals directly into your line of sight without obstructing your natural view. The result is crystal-clear augmented reality, with visuals so vivid they feel like they are part of the real world. Each lens supports a resolution high enough that text, icons, and images are sharp and easy to read. Brightness is automatically adjusted to your surroundings, so whether you are indoors, outside on a sunny day, or in a dimly lit room, the display adapts flawlessly. Apple has implemented advanced anti-reflective coating and adaptive polarization, which means no more glares or distractions. The field of view is wide enough to comfortably interact with digital overlays without making them feel cramped or artificial. What's even more impressive is Apple's commitment to making the display feel natural. There is no eye strain or dizziness even after prolonged use, thanks to precise calibration with your eye movements. It feels less like looking at a screen and more like looking at reality with an extra digital layer. Number 3. Performance. At the heart of Apple Glasses lies a custom-designed Apple Silicon chip, optimized specifically for augmented reality experiences. It is built on the efficiency and power we have seen in Apple's M-series and A-series processors, but re-engineered for wearable use. This means lightning-fast rendering of graphics, ultra-low latency interactions, and seamless multitasking between applications. When you look at a map, get notifications, or interact with 3D objects, everything responds instantly, without lag or stutter. The glasses also feature eye-tracking technology combined with gesture controls, powered by machine learning algorithms, so the system always knows what you are focusing on and responds with accuracy. Performance is further enhanced by Apple's deep integration with iOS and other Apple devices. The glasses can sync effortlessly with your iPhone, Mac, or Apple Watch, using the combined power of the ecosystem to handle complex tasks. This makes Apple Glasses not just powerful on their own but exponentially more useful when part of the Apple family. Number 4. The camera. Apple has approached the camera on the glasses with both practicality and privacy in mind. The glasses come with discreetly embedded cameras that capture photos and videos in high resolution while maintaining a minimalistic appearance. These cameras can be used for augmented reality mapping, object recognition, and even real-time translations when you look at foreign text. One standout feature is spatial awareness. The cameras, combined with lidar sensors, map your environment with incredible precision, allowing digital elements to interact naturally with real-world surfaces. Imagine placing a virtual screen on your wall or seeing a navigation arrow on the street ahead of you. It feels intuitive and magical. Apple has also placed a strong emphasis on user privacy, incorporating visible indicators that let others know when the camera is active. This balances functionality with responsible design, ensuring the glasses don't feel intrusive to those around you. Number 5. Battery life. A common problem with wearable AR devices has always been poor battery performance, but Apple has tackled this challenge head-on. Apple glasses are designed to last an entire day of moderate use on a single charge, which is a remarkable achievement for a device of this size. The battery is cleverly integrated into the arms of the glasses, maintaining balance without adding noticeable bulk. For heavier users, such as those who stream media or use AR navigation continuously, the glasses support fast charging with Apple's MagSafe technology, allowing you to top up quickly during short breaks. Apple has also introduced an optional wireless charging stand designed specifically for the glasses, making it easy to keep them powered up at home or at work. Intelligent power management ensures that the glasses use energy only when necessary, extending battery performance without compromising the experience. This level of endurance makes them practical enough to replace many daily tasks you would normally do on your phone. Number 6. Software and features. Here is where the true magic of Apple glasses lies. Running on a custom OS built on top of iOS, the glasses provide a seamless experience that feels familiar yet revolutionary. Siri plays a central role, acting as your virtual assistant, always ready at a glance. Notifications are displayed subtly in your field of view without being disruptive. You can take calls, respond to messages, check your calendar, or even control your smart home devices with simple gestures or voice commands. One of the most exciting features is real-time translation, where the glasses overlay translated text directly in front of you as you read signs or have conversations. Navigation is equally impressive, with turn-by-turn AR directions guiding you through streets, airports, or shopping malls. Entertainment has been reimagined too, with the ability to project videos, games, and apps into your environment, transforming any space into your personal theater. And of course, being an Apple product, everything is tightly integrated with your ecosystem. Handoff from iPhone to glasses feels natural. AirPlay allows content streaming, and your data stays private thanks to Apple's end-to-end encryption. Number 7. Value for money. Apple glasses are not cheap, and they are not meant to be. They represent cutting-edge technology packaged into a product that feels more like a lifestyle upgrade than just another gadget. While the price may be high compared to traditional eyewear or even smartphones, what you are paying for is Apple's ecosystem, design, and unmatched user experience. When compared to other AR devices on the market, Apple glasses manage to offer more practical functionality in a smaller, more fashionable form factor. They are not just for tech enthusiasts but for everyday people who want technology to enhance their life without dominating it. From professionals using them for productivity, to travelers relying on navigation, to students learning with AR overlays, the glasses have real-world use cases that justify their price tag. In essence, they are an investment into the future of personal computing. And now, the conclusion. Apple glasses are more than just a new product, they are a vision of what technology should feel like: intuitive, seamless, and human-centered. They merge the digital and physical worlds in a way that feels natural and useful, not overwhelming. The design is stylish, the display is breathtaking, the performance is unmatched, and the software ecosystem is both powerful and practical. Apple has not only delivered on the promise of AR but has done so in a way that fits effortlessly into everyday life. While the price may seem high, the value they provide extends far beyond the hardware itself. It is about unlocking new possibilities and changing the way we interact with information. Apple glasses represent the next big leap in personal technology, and for those who want to be part of the future, they are an experience worth having. This has been Apple Insider. Thank you for joining us in exploring Apple glasses. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth Apple coverage. Until next time, stay inspired and stay connected.